Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy breakfast smoothie which does not contain banana. It's filling and will keep you fuller till your next meal. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat a cast iron pan and lightly roast 2 tablespoons of old-fashioned rolled oats on low to medium flame. You can also make double batches and store so that you don't have to do this process every single time. Please check the description box below to know why you need to roast the oats. Once the oats are lightly roasted, transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. Now into my blender, I'm adding in 3/4 cup water and then add in the cooled and roasted oats, 1 cup chopped ripe papaya. Now the papaya I'm using is very sweet and hence I'm not adding any sweetener. However, if you feel you need sweetness, you can add in 1 to 2 soft medjool dates or 1 tablespoon honey. Add in 1 tablespoon chia seeds and 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants. Note that you don't have to grind the flax seeds separately. They will grind well along with the rest of the ingredients. Now blend the ingredients until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass and you can see that the smoothie is thick and creamy. Top the smoothie with 1 tablespoon crushed and roasted peanuts for some healthy fats, and it will also give a nice crunch to the smoothie. Sprinkle in half teaspoon chia seeds and healthy and filling breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy breakfast smoothie and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.